Hello everyone, and welcome back to Full Course Online. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro on Windows 11. The downloading process has changed because VMware is now part of Broadcom, so many users get confused. Don't worry. Just follow along, and you will be able to download it easily. Let's begin. First, open your internet browser and search for Download VMware Workstation. From the search results, click on the official VMware link. VMware is available for both Mac and Windows. For Mac, it is called VMware Fusion. For Windows, it is called VMware Workstation Pro. Since we're using Windows 11, we will click the Download Now button under the Windows section. You will now be redirected to the Broadcom website because VMware is now a Broadcom product. To download the software, you need to log in. If you don't have a Broadcom account, you must create one. Click the small arrow next to Login at the top right corner of the page. Select Register. Enter your email address. This email will later work as your username. Solve the CAPTCHA and click Next. Broadcom will send a verification code to your email. Open your inbox, copy the code, and enter it. Then click Verify and Continue. Now fill in the registration form. Enter your first name and last name. Select your country. Choose your job role. Create a password that you will use later. Accept the agreement. Then click Create Account. After that, you might see an option to update your profile, but you can skip it for now. Next, go back to the Broadcom page and click Login. Enter the email and password you used during registration. Your Broadcom dashboard will open. Click on My Downloads. Then click on the link that says Free Software Downloads Available. A long list of software will appear. Scroll down and find VMware Workstation Pro. Choose the version you want to download. VMware is available for both Windows and Mac. Since we're using Windows 11, select the Windows version. Click the cloud icon to download. If the download does not start, it means you must accept the license agreement first. Click the checkbox, but it won't activate unless you open the agreement link. You can download the PDF version of the agreement. After opening it, go back and check the checkbox again. Now the download option will become active. Before downloading, you must fill out the Trade Compliance and Download Conditions form. Enter your name, address, state, and zip code. Submit the form. Your account may take a few hours or even a few days to be verified. After verification, you will be able to download the installer file. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. The installer is more than 600 megabytes. Double-click the file to start the installation. The installation process is simple. Accept the license agreement. If you want shortcuts like Ctrl-Alt-Delete to work inside virtual machines, enable the enhanced keyboard driver. Choose whether you want VMware to check for updates automatically. Choose whether you want to join the Customer Improvement Program. Select if you want shortcuts on the desktop or in the Start menu. Finally, click Install. When the installation is complete, click Finish. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Full Course Online. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.